Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to test new marketing ideas. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in planning, executing, and analyzing Facebook A/B tests to effectively evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and optimize your strategies for better results. Section 1. The importance of A/B testing in marketing. A/B testing is a crucial component of effective marketing, allowing you to compare two versions of a marketing element, such as an ad, a landing page, or a call to action, to determine which one performs better. By testing and evaluating different variations, you can identify winning creatives, determine which ad creatives, copy variations, or landing page designs resonate best with your target audience and drive better engagement and conversions. Optimize ad targeting. Identify the most effective targeting criteria, such as demographics, interests, or behaviors, to reach the right audience at the right time and maximize campaign ROI. Enhance campaign performance. Continuously improve your marketing campaigns by identifying areas for improvement and making data-driven decisions based on A/B testing results. Section 2. Facebook's role in A/B testing. Facebook offers a robust platform for A/B testing, providing various tools and features to streamline the testing process and gather valuable insights. Facebook Ads Manager. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager to create and manage multiple ad variations, set up test groups, and track key performance indicators, KPIs. Experimentation Tool. Leverage Facebook's built-in experimentation tool to conduct A/B tests on ad creatives, landing pages, and other marketing elements. Audience segmentation. Utilize Facebook's advanced targeting capabilities to segment your audience into different test groups, enabling you to test different variations on specific audience segments. Real-time reporting. Access real-time data and analytics to monitor the performance of your A/B tests, allowing you to make informed decisions on the fly. Section 3. Planning your Facebook A/B tests. To effectively plan your Facebook A/B tests, follow these steps. Define your goals. Clearly define the objectives of your A/B test. Are you aiming to increase click-through rates, improve conversion rates, or enhance brand awareness? Identify the variable to test. Determine the specific element of your marketing campaign that you want to test, such as an ad creative, a landing page design, or a call to action. Create test variations. Develop multiple variations of the element you are testing, ensuring they are significantly different to allow for meaningful comparisons. Define test groups. Divide your target audience into 2 or more test groups, ensuring each group is representative of your target audience and that the groups are similar in size. Set up your A/B test. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager or the experimentation tool to create your A/B test, specifying the test groups, test variations, and duration of the test. Section 4. Executing and analyzing your A/B tests. Once you have planned your A/B test, follow these steps to execute and analyze it. Launch your test. Launch your A/B test and monitor its performance using real-time reporting in Facebook Ads Manager or the experimentation tool. Track key performance indicators. Track relevant KPIs such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition to measure the effectiveness of each test variation. Analyze results. Once your test has reached statistical significance, analyze the results to determine which variation performed better. Implement winning variations. Implement the winning variation into your marketing campaign, replacing the less effective variation. Document findings and learnings. Document the findings and learnings from your A/B test, including the winning variation, the KPIs, and the insights gained. Section 5. Optimizing your A/B testing process. To optimize your Facebook A/B testing process, consider these tips. Focus on one variable at a time. Test only one variable per test to isolate its impact on performance and avoid confounding factors. Use clear and measurable goals. Clearly define specific and measurable goals for each test, ensuring you can evaluate success or failure objectively. Run multiple tests simultaneously. Conduct multiple A/B tests simultaneously to test different aspects of your marketing campaigns and gain insights across various elements. Continuously test and refine. A/B testing is an ongoing process, so continuously test and refine your marketing campaigns based on data-driven insights. Facebook offers a powerful tool for A/B testing, enabling you to test and optimize your marketing.